Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and in today's video we will be taking a tour of Entelect's headquarters in Melrose Arch. If you are coming from Arthur Oaklands Road and use the gate on the right to enter Melrose Arch, the Entelect office will be in your right hand side at that first traffic light, or as we South Africans say, the first robot after entering through the gate. Now that you have successfully located the office, let's head inside. Entelect's Melrose headquarters is located in 3 Melrose Arch Boulevard. While the entire building is not exclusively Entelect, they occupy second and the third floor. The rest of the building house is owned by multiple other companies, making it a shared commercial space. We can see some of the other companies that are located here. To name a few: Harriet, PSG, Calculus, HBG Schindler's Attorneys, and obviously Entelect. Let's enter into the building. In order to get into the building, you need an access card, and if you enter without one, you will be executed by her. Just joking. As we pass by the security, let's get into the lift. And since Entelect owns second and the third floor, let's go to second floor. As we hop onto floor 2, we are greeted by a beautiful view of the offices, and on the right side we can see the entrance. Entelect has multiple entrances, but this is the main entrance. Entire second floor is owned by Entelect, forming a circle, which we will experience when we'll get in. Let's use the access card to gain entry into the office. As you enter through the gate, you are warmly greeted by lovely Denise, whose friendly demeanor and professionalism makes every visitor feel instantly welcome. She's truly the heart of the reception, ensuring everything runs smoothly and leaving a lasting positive impression. This part of the office is all about meeting rooms and boardrooms, where the magic of brainstorming and collaboration happens. Let's check out one of the meeting rooms. It's super spacious with plenty of comfy seating and massive screen that makes connecting with people online a breeze. And oh, the view from here. Honestly, every time I sit in this room, I can't help but feel so happy and lucky to work here. The view is absolutely gorgeous and just adds that little extra sparkle of the day. As we step out of the meeting room, there is this cozy little spot with 2 comfy seats and a coffee table, perfect for casual chats or brainstorming over a cup of coffee. And just nearby, I spotted this incredible artwork that caught my eye. It kind of looks like rock climbing, and honestly, it's so inspiring. Every time I see it, it reminds me to work harder, think smarter, and tackle challenges head on. Just like climbing to the top of tough route, it's a little motivation boost every time I walk past. As we keep moving, we pass a few more meeting rooms, but hang tight because I can't wait to show you my favorite spot in the office. I'll try to contain my excitement for now. So let's keep going with the tour. Over here, we have got a cozy little space with chairs and a table, perfect for your team to gather for a daily stand-up or dive into a quick feature discussion. It's such a great spot for collaboration and getting those creative juices flowing. Just next to it, we have general space which you can make use of it. Every desk has a chair, monitor, and plugs to keep you charged throughout. yes, if you are missing school days, you got some books here to read. By the way, you may call me old school, but I prefer physical books rather than ebooks. What do you guys prefer? Comment below. Let's see physical books versus ebooks. Let me tell you a quick history about Entelect before we head to my favorite place. Entelect is a leading software engineering and technology company that was founded in 2001. Over the years, it has grown into powerhouse of innovation with a team of over 1,500 talented employees who are passionate about creating world-class solutions. The company is headquartered in vibrant South Africa, the Netherlands, Zimbabwe, Australia, and many more, where it continues to thrive, push the boundaries of technology. When I was shooting the video, I saw the graduates having some fun in the cafeteria. And finally, my favorite place, the cafeteria. I hope you can see the excitement in my voice. The cafeteria is a very cozy place with Xbox and snacks, not just snacks, but lots of snacks. Microwave to heat your food, fridge where you can get your drinks and water. And finally, the bread and butter of any software engineer, the barista, where you can get coffee 5 cups a day. I usually like to have my special drink, which the barista legends, Princess and Bokang, hey guys, call it Obeit Special. So next time you visit the barista, don't forget to order Obeit Special. And here, as we move on, we can see in the fridges some of the drinks that some of you like. We have some beer over here in the fridge. And this is one of my favorite balcony. The reason being, this is the place where I saw snow for the first time. I'm gonna play that clip over here. Now let's quickly pass through the barista and the general sitting area and see some of the awards Entelect has received over the years. Yep, these are all the awards Entelect has gotten over the years. Some of them are Best Company to Work For, Best Bootcamp Award. Also, the CEO has also received the Best IT Personality Award. The awards are presented by Deloitte, University of Johannesburg, Career24, and many more. And here's something that truly blew me away. Entelect has a dedicated room for mothers to feed their little ones. How amazing is that? It's such a thoughtful addition that really shows how much Entelect cares about its people, not just as employees, but as individuals with families and unique needs. It's these little things that makes you realize this isn't just a workspace. It's a community that values and supports everyone who's part of it. Just one more reason to love being here. And that's a wrap for our tour of the Entelect headquarters here in Melrose Arch. I hope you enjoyed exploring this amazing workspace with me. From the meeting rooms and cozy collaboration spaces to the cafeteria and all the thoughtful touches like the mother's room. It's truly a place that feels welcoming, innovative and supportive. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. I would love to hear your thoughts. What was your favorite part of the tour? Or if you're working in an office, what's the coolest feature in your workspace? Drop a comment below and let's chat. Thanks so much for watching and I'll see you in the next video. Until then, keep studying, take care and peace.